a very quick question to Mishra ji. Sir, sometime back you headed the India-Japan roundtable, where your ministry was instrumental in collaborating with the Japanese companies to bring the technologies. Can you quickly share us some of what kind of technologies are coming on to India in the urbanization area?
Thank you, Mr. Ramurthy. In fact, last week only I had a joint working group meeting with the government of Japan, and we have such arrangement with many other countries. And we are open to the technologies, to the innovations, to the new ways of doing things, so that what Mr. Anirban mentioned, to improve the sustainability, to bring value to things, so that we make best use of the resources which is available. That is the government in the last 5 6 years. Whatever steps we are taking, these are our major defining parameters. How to get the technology which is not there in the country, how to get those things become part of our Indian technology. As I mentioned to you about the lighthouse projects, there we are getting the best construction technologies, and those technologies will become part of the curriculum of IITs or NITs or other engineering colleges, and they become part of us. So in anything in with the Japanese government, specifically we discussed about the metro projects, because they have been instrumental in helping. I mean, today you see the metro journey which is started in Delhi in a small way in 2002. Just in 18 years, we have got a huge gains on the metro technology. I mean, now a lot of things are make in India. We are exporting some of the things from India, and we have added more than 700 kilometers of the operational tracks. We have more than 1,000 kilometers under construction and all that. We have also discussed with them to get on the housing and the housing technology. I mean, this is how we can. I mean, what we are doing right now, constructing more than crore of houses. But the way urbanization is going on, there is going to be a lot of more construction work in the time to come. So we want to acquire ideas from there. We want to acquire from them on the water and the sanitation, the work which they have done, or many other countries like some of the Scandinavian countries, the Germany. I mean, from them we are learning those things. So it's a continuous learning. We invite their industry to come and work here, to encourage them to invest and do something from where we can acquire that knowledge and make that knowledge our own. The
Thank you,
circular
Mishra ji.
economy, which Mr. Anirban mentioned, we had I mean, a lot of discussion on the circular economy, because circular economy is something which is a part of the nature. In nature, there is no waste. Let it be very clear. I mean, like whatever nature, everything is circular. I mean, anything which is produced that gets consumed, the next one which consumes that, I mean, produces is like a circular. We have learned about so many circular things while we were studying. So, like that, whatever experiments which have been done, whatever experiences has come to the other countries, we are trying to learn and get that done in our country to address the huge,
Yeah.
humongous issue where we have to address the I mean, issues of nearly 40 crore people at now, and which is going to be projected to another 40 crore plus in the next 3 decades. Thank you.
Excellent. Very inciting, Dr. Durga Shankar ji. So, as I mentioned, reluctantly, I have to bring this session to closing because of the time that we have to get ahead with our rest of the program. It's been so inspiring.